Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you still shutting down your PC the same old way? In this video, I'll show you 8 different ways to shut down your computer, plus 2 bonus tricks that most people don't know. Let's get started. Number 1. Start menu. Click on the Start menu, select the power icon, and click Shutdown. This simple and the most widely used method. Number 2. Keyboard shortcut. Press Alt plus F4 on your desktop. Then select Shutdown from the drop-down and hit Enter. Fast and efficient. Number 3. Right-click Start button. Right-click on the Start button. Go to Shutdown or Sign Out and select Shutdown. Number 4. Run command. Right-click Start and select Run, or press Windows plus R to open Run. Then type shutdown/S/T 0. Enter 0 for immediate shutdown, or replace it with any number to set a shutdown timer in seconds. Press Enter, and your PC will shut down. Number 5. Command prompt. Type CMD on search, open command prompt. Type shutdown/S/T 0. To set a delay, replace 0 with the number of seconds you want the system to wait. To cancel a scheduled shutdown, use the command shutdown/A. Number 6. PowerShell. Type PowerShell on search and open PowerShell. Type stop-computer, then hit Enter, and your system will power off. Number 7. Ctrl Alt Delete screen. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete. Click the power icon at the bottom right, then select Shutdown. Number 8. Remote shutdown. This method lets you shut down another computer on the same network, perfect for advanced users or IT setups. First, make sure both computers are connected to the same network and have the required permissions enabled. Now, open command prompt on your PC and type shutdown/M/target ComputerName/S. Once you press Enter, the selected computer will begin shutting down remotely. And wait, there's more. Here are some bonus shutdown tricks that most people don't use. Number 1. Task Manager. Right-click on Taskbar, open Task Manager, click on Process, and click Run New Task. Type shutdown/s and click OK. Number 2. Desktop shortcut. Right-click on Desktop, New, then Shortcut. Type shutdown/s/t, then type number of seconds you want the system to wait. Name it Shutdown and click Finish. Now you can shut down your PC with just one click. Now you know multiple ways to shut down your PC like a pro. Which method do you use the most? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tech tips.